You are highly welcome. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be solving this beautiful problem. This is coming from exponential equation and logarithmic equation. If you can solve this problem, I want you to solve it, then come back and check your result. Now here, if you cannot do that, please let's do this together. It's not hard. Now from here, I have x to the power of log base x, then 2 plus x all to the power of 2 equals 25. Now what we're going to do here, I would like you to recall that when you have a to the power of log base a, I have b. Automatically, this base, we cancel this base. We are going to be left with b. And that is what we're going to do here. When you look at this question here, look at the left hand side. Can you see? I have x to be the base here, raised to the power, and I have x here. It shows that this, we cancel this. Then we are going to be left with this. So this implies that 2 plus x all squared equals 25. Right? Now from here, the next thing we're going to do, I don't want to expand this, okay, because of time or the stress. Then this is what I'm going to do. 2 plus x all to the power of 2. I will transpose this 25 to the what? To the left hand side. And I can rewrite it as 5 to the power of 2. Then we're going to have 0. So now from here, the next thing we're going to do is, this is difference of two squares. When you have a squared minus b squared, this can be written as a minus b, then a plus b. So we're going to apply this here now. See what you are going to do. I'm going to have 2 plus x, then minus 5. Then the second one is going to be 2 plus x, then plus 5. Then all to be 0. Now from here, let's simplify this inside the parentheses. Further, 2 minus 5. We're going to have minus 3. Okay, and I have x here. This will be x. Can you see? X minus 3. Then here, this is going to be x. 2 plus 5. That's what? That is 7. Then equal 0. Can you see now? Beautiful. Now from here, this is 0 from equation. Okay, so it is either x minus 3, okay, equals 0, or we have x plus 7 to be 0. We have x minus 3 equals 0 here. So this is telling us that x equals 3. If this 3 should be transposed to the right hand side, then also we have x to be, when this 7 is transposed to the right hand side, we're going to have minus 7. So we have x1 and we have x2 to be this. Now, you need to be very careful. You don't have to stop here, okay? Because this is logarithm, okay? So there are things that are very, very important you need to check before you just go and say you've solved the problem. You need to check whether these values, satisfy this, okay? First of all, when you have base in logarithm, the base can never be negative number. And when you look at this place here, you can see we have the x to be negative. So therefore, the x here that we got to be minus 7, we have to be rejected. So we have to reject this. This one will be rejected. So the only possible solution here is x equals 3. So the valid solution, okay, is what? Is x equals 3, which is what? Which is the positive value of x, right? So now, if you want to check whether you are right or not, check. Put the value of 3, or the value of x, we have 3 log 3. Then here we have 2 plus 3 all squared, then equals what? Equals 25. So will this give you 25? I told you when you have something like this and this we cancelled. 2 plus 5, you have 5 squared equals 25. So 5 squared is 25 equals 25. Can you see that? So that's the end of the class. If you find this class very interesting, please do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see more of our amazing content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.